Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when printer is not printing in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go ahead and restart your computer. So sometimes a simple restart takes care of the problem. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the system restart you can go ahead and try to print out. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run printer troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings to open Windows 11 settings, or you can make a right click on the start menu and then click on settings, and then click on system. Scroll down here, you can see troubleshoot option. Click on troubleshoot and then click on other troubleshooters. Now over here you can see printer option, so click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to make a printout. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and uninstall recently installed Windows update. So most of the time whenever there is a Windows update, I've seen that most of the time a Windows update, a recent Windows update is actually the cause of the problem. So you can go ahead and try to uninstall recently installed update. So go to the start menu and then open Windows 11 settings. Go to Windows Update and then click on Update History. Now click on Uninstall Updates. Now you can go ahead and try to uninstall. You can go ahead and highlight recently installed update and then click on Uninstall. And after the uninstall, restart your computer and then try to make a printout. Now the next step is to perform power cycle. To perform power cycle, first of all, go ahead and turn off your printer. So just go ahead and turn off the power supply for your printer and then unplug the power cable from the printer and then wait for 30 to 40 seconds. And after that, you can go ahead and plug in your power cable back to the printer, and then you can go ahead and start your printer and then restart your computer as well. So that should go ahead and fix the problem. So try to power cycle. Still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and make sure that you're selecting your printer while printing. So when you're trying to make a printout, so just make sure that you select your printer over here. So when you're making a printout, make sure that you select your printer over here and then try to make a printout. Now in case if you're printing from browser, make a right click, then click on print, and over here you go ahead and make sure that you select your printer over here. Now the next step is to make your printer as a default printer. For this, type in control panel in Windows search box. So just type in control and then click on control panel. Click on hardware and sound. Then click on devices and printers. Now over here you will find your printer over here. So make a right click on your printer. So make sure that you select your printer and then make a right click, then click on set as default printer and then try to make a printout. The next option is to clear and reset the print spooler. So first of all, go ahead and stop the print spooler service. For this, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box. Then click on services. Now find print spooler service over here. Now over here you can see print spooler. Make a right click on print spooler and then click on stop. So first of all, go ahead and stop the print spooler service and then go to this location. This location is provided in the video description. So copy this location and paste it in the search box. So just click on search and paste the location over here. Open this folder over here, click on this, and then over here you will find a lot of files over here. So if you find any files and folder over here, select everything and then make a right click and then click on delete. So if you find anything over here, in my case I already deleted, so I don't have any files over here. So when you go to this location, select everything and delete everything, and after you delete, go ahead and start the print spooler service once again. So after you delete everything, again open services. So type in services once again and go to services and again find print spooler service. So now make a double click. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply. Now click on start and then click on OK. And with this selected, click on restart the service and then you can go ahead and try to make a printout. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the latest version of printer driver from your printer manufacturer website. So first of all, you go ahead and uninstall the printer driver from device manager and apps and feature. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager to open device manager. Now find your printer over here. So you can go ahead and expand print queues and go ahead and uninstall your printer driver. So in this list you will find your printer. So make sure that you make a right click on your printer and then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. And after you uninstall your printer from here in device manager, now go to Windows 11 settings once again and then go to apps and then click on apps and feature. Now over here find your printer driver. So if you find your printer driver over here, in my case I don't have the printer driver, so over here from this list also go ahead and uninstall your printer driver. So for example, when you find your printer driver, click on this three dot and then click on uninstall, and after the uninstall restart your computer. So you have to go ahead and uninstall the printer driver from device manager as well as apps and feature. If you don't find your printer driver in apps and feature, you can go ahead and uninstall it from device manager, then restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the system restart you can go ahead and reinstall printer driver from your printer manufacturer website. So if you have a HP computer, go to HP website, select your model number. You can enter your model number over here and then click on submit, or you can go ahead and select your printer from the list, and when you select the printer you can go to installation software and driver. So from here you can go ahead and download the driver. In case if you have Brother printer, go to Brother website. If you have Epson, go to Epson website. If you have Canon, go to Canon website. So whichever is your printer, go to their website and then install the driver, download the driver and then install the driver, and then connect your printer and then try to make a printout. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and contact Microsoft. They should go ahead and help you. For this you can go ahead and type in get help in Windows search box and then click on get help. Now over here in the search box you can go ahead and type in talk to a person and then hit the enter key, and over here you will see an option which says to contact Microsoft support, please select your product or service from the need more help. So go ahead and select you can go ahead and select Windows, then you can go ahead and select technical support, then click on confirm, and it will be asking you to go ahead and if you want to chat, you can go ahead and click on chat with support agent and then click on confirm, enter your email address and confirm, and then you will speak to a person and then you can go ahead and get the issue resolved from Microsoft. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your printer working on Windows 11. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.